Hello, everybody, and welcome to this special morning update. This is May 31st, 2020, and today we are going to be talking about Tropical Storm Amanda that is formed and is over land right now in, I believe this is Guatemala right here. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. And looks like it has 40-mile-per-hour winds and 1,003 millibars. It is located 14.2 north, 90.4 west, and it's moving north-northeast at 9 miles an hour. So it's pretty much going this way. Or not like this way. Let's see what's going on here. Amanda bringing heavy rainfall to portions of Guatemala and El Salvador as the center moves inland. Let's take a look at the forecast discussion here. Yeah, it's 40 miles per hour. And then this forecasted to weaken into a post-tropical cyclone before going back over water. It looks like, and it dissipates from being a Pacific storm and goes into being an Atlantic storm in 96 hours. So, alright, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong about this being our culprit. But I still do believe that Central American gyre is going to be there a lot longer than we think it's going to be there. And there's evidence of that, which I'm going to show you here on GFS a little bit later. So here, he says that to expect circulation could still produce winds of 20 to 25 knots over the next 2 or 3 days over some landmass areas. So, yes, please be careful if you're down there in Guatemala, El Salvador, and parts of the Mexico inland. It's gonna be rough out there. You're gonna have some winds and rains, so please pay attention to what's going on and stay safe. Let's take a look at the public advisory real quick. The northeast, tropical storm warnings, El Salvador, Guatemala. Rainfall. The rainfall is going to be major here. We're going to be looking at 20 inches in El Salvador that is possible, in Guatemala, and Tabasco, and Veracruz. Cruz. I don't think I said that right, but I tried. Winds are minimal. It was like 40 miles an hour, so you don't have to worry too much about those winds. And complete advisory is going to be at 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So please pay attention to that when they come out. Get your latest information. Let's take a look at the cone real quick. As you can see, it has it right in here in Guatemala, and it has a post-tropical depression, and then it looks like it keeps it a post-tropical depression going into the Atlantic side of things, which is pretty interesting because technically the remnants are still intact, which is kind of weird because it has to degenerate even farther from depression, I believe, to not have the same identity. I do believe that's how it works. But I guess we'll find out here in about 2 days, because the once we talk about the Atlantic system a little bit later on, it does say there's a 50% chance of this developing into something. Alright, let's take a look at the GFS model. And here is our system right here. It's 1,006 millibars, and you can see there's quite a bit of heavy rain here. This is just nuts. This is multiple inches an hour type of rainfall. Oh, that's crazy. Let's go out through time here. And there it pops back up again, 1,003 millibars. It crosses over. And then that's a weird looking storm right there. It goes into Houston, kinda. And then just nope. Going back down to Mexico. And as you can see, that Central American gyre just stays put where it is. It does not go anywhere. Now, granted, this is 16 days out. You gotta take this with a grain of salt, but I have never seen a Central American gyre last this long before. So, that's gonna be pretty interesting. Plus what's going on down here in Mexico, or in El Salvador and stuff. So, there is Amanda, and to be honest, it's looking pretty healthy. Let's take a look at the visible right now. As you can see, look at that blow up of storms that's going on right now. Even inland, that thing is blowing up inland, you guys. It's amazing. This is your typical classic tropical storm look that's going on right now. And this is all heading northeastward. In this cloud burst right in here, you're definitely getting heavy rainfalls. You're getting some winds of 40 miles per hour, gusting up to 55 probably. Flooding is definitely going to be happening. And you know, if you have to be out in this, be careful. You know, don't drive if the waterways are flooded. Turn around, don't drown. You know, stuff like that. I'm here to protect your guys' life. Whoever watches. You know, it makes me feel good knowing that this information is getting out there in my own words to you guys, because you know, y'all are awesome, and I want you guys to stay safe. That's why I do these. Anyways, that is it for this morning's special update. I will have a complete tropical update later on this afternoon, and have a good day.